Assalamu alaikum. So you can see that I have found another one that is also Dossan, and it is 5.9 tonner. It's 3500 kilometer, they are saying 3500 hours. 3500 hours they are saying that it's totally operated, and it's brand new, and it is in original color. They are saying that they didn't paint it ever. Tires are also okay, and the black blade is also fine. But the problem is that sir, we don't have the four-way bucket movement. The problem is, sir, that it's still it doesn't have the coupling here which can rotate its bucket on four-way. It's the two-way bucket, and they are saying that we can provide you the bucket which will rotate four ways, but they will import it from Europe countries. The bucket only, the jack which will be required here as a coupling, they will fit there another coupling, and it will become the four-way then. Okay, I'm showing you the interior now. Okay, so sir, you can see that it's moving up and down, and here you can see each and everything, and they polished it, so it looks like new, but I don't know is it or not. Okay, here is a sticker saying about maximum and minimum tools, etc., and its model, etc. numbers. I will show you those on also. So let me go down again. Let me show you, sir, the sticker. They are saying that it is 2015 and total 3500 hours it's been operated. So that's it, and they are asking money 5.9 million. But those coupling, they don't know when they will provide us the coupling which will make it four-way. They don't know about it, what will be the price and what is not. So then the price will be changed. With the two-way moment, it will cost us 5.9 million.